YouTube, welcome back. This is the same day. Just had to change my hat up a little bit as promised. We're gonna start reviewing the New York Mets Timberland New Era MLB collab. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Welcome back. If you watched the first Yankee video and you're watching this video, I appreciate you. Thank you for all the support. Let's get right into it. I don't want to waste no clock. There ain't too much to review, but we want to look and see how the shoe looking, man. So again, this pair I had to get a size 10. The Yankee pair was a 9.5. I'm pretty sure they both were fitted, just a matter of which one would be, you know, more snug than the other. I know Tim's run big, and I used to size down in my Tims. So here's the box of the Mets, just like the New York Yankees. You got your MLB, New Era, and Timberland collaboration. On this side of the box, you got Timberland in red. And the label reads Timberland Heritage Men's 6-inch lace waterproof boot. Nothing on the inside other than just information about the waterproof guarantee on the inside of the lid. You got your MLB, Timberland, and New Era paper. And then you get right into the shoes. And it does come with a divider as well. I keep saying shoes, I'm sorry, man. Boots. We getting into the boots, my bad, man. So used to reviewing kicks, man. I haven't had a pair of Timberlands in a minute. So I just want to show you the right pair real quick. Is it the right pair? Yeah, should have it in here. Let me see. The right pair of my last one had the actual hang tag. That's weird. So the Mets doesn't come with a hang tag? Only the Yankees? Okay. That's my own change making it. All right, so yeah, all right, cool. That's weird. But yeah, so the Mets doesn't come with a hang tag. Let me just double check the box and make sure it didn't fall off or something like that. But the Yankees definitely came with a hang tag. Let's see. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's in here. All right, yeah. Keep checking your boxes, man. They had it, I guess it fell off, or they didn't put it on completely and it fell at the bottom of the box. So yeah, it definitely came off. So I definitely wouldn't wear this hang tag on the shoe. I would take that off if you're gonna wear it out in public, because it looks like this will come off easily. So on this side of the hang tag, you got the waterproof information. Let me see it. Hopefully that comes in. Got the Timberland waterproof. And then on this side, do like this. How they do, and how them professional streamers and YouTubers do. They do something like this to make sure it comes in. So on this side, you got the New Era information on that side of the hang tag. So that's how your hang tag will come. Both shoes come with the extra spare laces up, you know, on the shoe like that, all spiraled up. I think the color lace is really gonna make these pop, man. Yeah, definitely. I don't know if I want to put the color lace in there, but the color lace does. It will make these pop, I think, nicely. So let's get into it. Of course, you got your regular Timberland outsole. I just want to show this real quick. Right here on the outsole, right here on the bottom of the heel, you got New Era indented inside the actual material. On the back of the heel, this is what everyone wanted to see. This is what everyone loved about these new collaborations with New Era and Timberland. You got the Mets logo right there on the back of the heel. And the leather on the Knicks pair was fire around the heel, and these are nice too. So the leather around the heel is nice and plush. They did right by the leather and the materials. The materials, I mean, it's a wheat, man. Wheats are nice. The Mets is outlined in white stitching. It's got the orange stitching, but it's also raised on the back, so it pops out, which is dope. You got the Mets right here in that orange popping against that wheat. Looks good. These colors really look good on Tim's, man. This blue, orange, and white looks pretty good. People in the comments, I was looking at comments, and people in New York was like, hey man, why did they make a Knicks? You know, so I think that's next. I think an NBA, man, if they make a Bulls, a Chicago Bulls, I'm definitely copping that pair. But I'm pretty sure they're going to do a collab with the NBA, and they're going to do a Knicks pair. I'm almost positive they're going to do that. But yeah, and you got your regular laces that come with your Timbs, and then again, you got the extra blue lace. Right here on the side, you got NewEra deboss or emboss, whatever you want to call that, inside the shoe with this Timberland sign on right there. Another nice touch, for sure. Hopefully that's coming in clear. And then nothing on the medial side. And that's pretty much it. That's the review, man. Comment down below. How do you feel about this pair? Did you go for this collaboration? Did you cop any? Again, they had like the Braves, the Houston Astros, the Boston Red Sox, the Mets, the Yankees. So let us know in the comment section down below. Did you go for a pair of these, or did you pass? Or are you just gonna stick to your regular Timbs? Or do you even wear Timbs anymore? Again, this is more of like an East Coast type of thing, man. I'm on the East Coast. I'm not too far from Philly, New York. So having a pair of Timbs was a must in our rotation back in, like I said, the mid to late 90s. That was the thing to do. If you was in the hip hop back then too, you always saw cats from New York, especially Wu-Tang, with Timbs on stage doing their thing. So I like them. Will I keep them? I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna give you that on foot look. And for how I style, you know, of course, I'm just gonna wear them just like I wore them back in the day. METS, you know, whatever hat matches the Tim. We used to wear whatever hats back in the day, Scully's, whatever it was. White tee, we always had a super big white tee on. Jeans, shorts, or jeans, and that's how we rocked them. With a tall Nike sock if we had shorts on, and then jeans if we did. Sometimes we wore them with our sweats. So that being said, we're gonna hop into this on foot. I'm gonna show you what they look like. If you want to see other visuals, follow me on my Instagram at down1914, and watch for my YouTube shorts, so I'll show you how these look on feet, and maybe like how I style. So that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate it if you tuned in. Stay tuned for more videos this week. I got the Air Max Zero, or the Air Max 1000s, the 3D printed Air Maxes. So stay tuned for that this week, and we're gonna go from there. So like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and see you in the next video. I'm out.
Hey yo, Don One, what up, bro? It's time. We gotta let these folk know you certified in this thing, man. Let them know you beneficial, and you know these haters ain't beneficial. Let me talk to them. Give and go. 3, 2, 1, repeat it. Yeah. 6-0. We undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game. Done beat it. Done one. Haters can't even hate. You unneeded. Yeah, you done. Make way for done one. Yeah. Done one. Yeah. Haters stay seated. Michael Jackson beat it. #1 seated. Weeping while you read it. Lion don't feed it. Going ham eat it. Wild with the style, tailor made to compete it. Making hits about my studio with Donna Julio. Living paradise like Julio and ball like Rubio. Godson armored up, shout out to the bros. Rockin' kicks like you to go, but I got 2 of those. Give and go, 3, 2, 1, repeat it. 6-0, we undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game, done beat it. Haters can't even hate, you unneeded. Yeah, you done. Make way for done one. Yeah, done one.